How to fix Xbox app not launching or receiving an error code of 0x80070002. Now, don't need to panic. This usually happens all the time if you're running up with the services from the Xbox application, especially from your PC. So the troubleshooting step that we will be doing is just to simply reset all the services that is currently running into your Xbox app via the PowerShell. To do so, just go into your Windows icon, type in PowerShell. Now in here, just choose on the first one, right click that, and then make sure to run it as an administrator. Once pull up, these are going to be the commands that you need to execute. So this is going to be the first command. Copy it, paste it into the PowerShell. This will let the services of Xbox application be uninstalled. And to reinstall it again, choose or use the second command. Now, once you've successfully reinstalled the services from PowerShell, simply restart your PC and relaunch the Xbox application again. That's it. That's how you fix Xbox app not launching error code 0x80070002.